Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody is having a show enough good Tuesday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, yeah, it looks like it wants to rain again, but that's okay. I got something I want to share with you and y'all. It's in this shack, so give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all. What I wanted to share with you today is something I've been working on for a while, and that is how I store my seeds. I have been collecting seeds, and I really didn't think I had that many seeds till I actually started going through them. But what I'm going to tell you is I went from this to this right here. Is Dan a seed hoarder? I don't know. I might just be turning into one, but I'm finna show you what I done did, and maybe I can get some tips from you and y'all that actually save seeds and put them up and you store your seeds and whatnot. Maybe I can learn from you and y'all. So let me show you this. All this is a 2-inch binder, and what I did was I got some these little divider things that are tab with the letters and whatnot. And I got these kind of like picture holder things. And these are 3.5 by 4.5, I think. And I took all of these seeds and I just shoved them in there and put them in pretty much alphabetical order. Now I never realized how many seeds I had, and I never realized what big of a mess that I actually had them in. When I went to go plant seeds, it took me more time to actually look through the seeds and find out exactly what I had and what I wanted to plant, because it was just sure enough disorganized. But now they sure enough organized. These are the A's and the B's. Oops, that's another thing right there. They just slip out like that. See how that one come out? Anyways, the C's and so forth and so on. But I have a bunch of seeds, a lot of seeds. What I'm gonna ask you and y'all is, and I know there's a bunch of y'all out there that actually save seeds. Are y'all hoarders? But anyways, y'all save seeds and y'all put them up in a certain fashion. I know that putting seeds in a cool, dark, dry place works the best. I've also heard folks put seeds in the freezer, which I know nothing about. Well, disregard that. I actually had some seeds that I saved that I put in my deep freeze, and I'm gonna say I don't know if the seeds germinate all that well when I store them in the deep freeze. What I don't know is, do I need to bring those seeds back up to room temperature before I go to germinate them? That I don't know. I don't know all the technicalities when it comes to storing seeds, but I have these seeds and I want to try to hang on to them for as long as I can. I have quite a few friends and family here on YouTube, in the YouTube community, that have sure enough sent me seeds, a bunch of seeds. So I want to make sure that I could store them properly so I can use them in the next couple of years. I don't know what the longevity of seeds are. I mean, I've seen and watched videos on YouTube with folks that have saved seeds, and they planted seeds that were 8, 9, 10 years old and had really good germination rate on it. So that's something that I want to try to do, because heck, why not, grow something and save the seeds. Look at that catnip. Save the seeds and keep them for future use. That's my goal, or that's what I want to try to do. If I'm not mistaken, I did a video last year on how I save my seeds. I actually had them last year. I had them in this box right here, and that didn't really work out all that well. But how do y'all save your seeds? And I know I've asked a bunch of questions to a few folk, but heck, why not just get the whole community, or whoever watches this video? How do y'all save your seeds? Be it in the freezer or something like this, or in just a tote. How do you organize and save your seeds? So this is sure enough gonna be a short video, y'all. Got home kind of late today and I still have a bunch of stuff I need to get done around the home place. So yeah, I got to get back out there and do some work. Again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Tuesday, a safe Tuesday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. Lord, that help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, gracious, y'all need to come on over and give me a look. Because I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Especially when you're trying to save and organize your seeds for future use. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.